So a student asked me to help them with this particular problem, um, which I decided uh, instead of just helping the one student, I'll make a video for anybody. Okay, so this is equivalent expressions with negative numbers, and it says which of the following expressions are equivalent to 6 plus negative 4 minus 5. So I'm going to call this first problem the long way of solving it. Okay, and then I'm going to do it what I'm going to call the quick way of answering this. The long is not as difficult because these are fairly small numbers, but when you get to fractions and decimals, you really want to possibly use the quick one. The long way is to literally just evaluate every single one of these to figure out which expression is equivalent. So for example, 6 plus negative 4 is positive 2. Positive 2, let me do that, positive 2 minus 5, and negative 5 is negative 3. So we want to figure out which of these match negative 3 as an answer. So the first one, if I follow the order of operations, negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. So this is the negative of negative 2 minus 5. So the negative of negative 2 is 2, and 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So this one matches, so that's one that matches. All right, this one is 6 minus 4 minus negative 5, so this would be written as 6 minus 4 plus 5. So if I just evaluate that left to right, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So that one does not match. We want to match negative 3. This one, if I do 4 plus 5, that's 9. So 6 minus 9 is negative 3. All right, 6 minus 9 is negative 3. So this one matches. So far, we have two answers that match, but let's continue just to make sure. This is 6 plus 4, which is 10, and 10 minus 5 is 5, so this one does not match. And finally, the last one, negative 6 plus negative 4 minus negative 5. So I would just rewrite this as 6 plus negative 4 minus negative 5 would be plus 5. And if you evaluate it left to right, 6 plus negative 4 is 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So once again, the two that our match our answer of negative 3 are this one and this one. So A and C. Now that's the long way of doing it. Here's the quicker way. All right, the quicker way, which once you start getting good at this, if you think of this as 6 plus negative 4 minus 5, that's positive 6 and negative 4 and negative 5. Right? Now, as I've shown you guys in class, if I have a negative sign outside of parentheses, you really can just use that to flip the sign of the terms inside the parentheses. So this is negative negative 6 becomes positive 6. Negative positive 4 is negative 4. And the negative, oh sorry, this negative just applies to the two numbers in the parentheses here, so minus 5 comes down. All right, here, just going to write it as 6 minus 4, and this double negative 5 becomes plus 5. This is going to be 6. Now the negative sign out here, or the minus sign, flips the two terms inside of here. So negative of positive 4 is negative 4. The negative of positive 5 is negative 5. Here, this is already in the format of 6 plus 4 minus 5. And this last one, double negative 6 is 6 plus negative 4 minus negative 5 becomes plus 5. So now I'm going to use my little commas, and the terms we're looking for are positive 6 and negative 4 and negative 5. Okay, so positive 6 and negative 4 and negative 5. That matches. This one has positive 6 and negative 4 and positive 5. We want negative 5, so this one is out. This is positive 6 and negative 4 and negative 5. Ah, that matches. Okay, this one is positive 6 and positive 4. Wait a minute, we want negative 4, so that's out. And the last one is positive 6, okay, and negative 4, okay, and positive 5, but we want negative 5, so this one is the reason we're out. So the two that match are A and C. And as you can see, both ways that I did the problem, we got answers A and C to be the ones that are equivalent to the original. All right, I hope that helped. Take care.